Hi, so in the last video we have structured our game UI to look like this, and we still left a bit of breathing space for our containers, which is good. So right now what I'm thinking is that we can start to put in some elements inside our containers from top to bottom. So in this video we probably will going to style the health bars. So we are going to need two health bars. The first one is for Harry Potter. The second one is for Voldemort. So let's do that. So first we need to give a new style sheet here, and we will call it health bars. Okay, CSS, and I'm going to put this inside our index. Health bars, correct. And I'm going to move the initial styling for our health bars inside here. And let me just check if we have any other style for the health bar. No. Okay, then we don't need index anymore. Alright, so in index.html and under the health bar section, we need to put in two more div. One is called okay, we just call it health bar container. Okay, so health bar container. Okay, I think the name is okay. Great, we need two health bar containers. Then we can start styling them. Our parent width is 880 pixel, and let me just check quickly what's the width of our game action screen. Okay, spiral channel is 460, so 88 minus 460 equals to sort of 420, and divided by 2 we got 210. So this should be our width hypothetically. So width equals to pixel, and height should be equals to, well, the parent is 80, so let's give it a 70 pixel width and see how it goes. And we need okay, we need a border as well, so we just copy the border over here and here. Okay, let's give it the UI bars display flags. Display flags. Great. Now I just want to skip the initial screen here. So I'm just gonna to give this value a true. So when we restart, we don't need to go through the starting screen anymore. So here's our health bar, and I think, okay, probably not, because these two blocks is the corresponding health bar should be too small, so we want to make it larger and shorten in height and display them sort of evenly across the container. So this plan doesn't work. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is make it larger here and make it shorter here. Okay, and I want to give it a line items to be center and I want to give it justify content of space around. Okay, I think this looks much better, and probably see, and let's give it a high. Okay, this looks more like it, but you can still get think we can do larger here. Okay, let's leave it there first, and I want to give it each container real health sort of value inside of it. So let's do that. So in each health container, I want to input the real health bar. So div dot health bar dash dash Harry. And world mode. Okay, and okay, we don't really need the specify who is responsible for the health bar. We just need to give it a value health bar. Okay, that would do. So health bar dot. Okay, so the background for our actual health bar should be okay white, and the width should be depends on our, let's say, our value inside the app.js file, and so we just give it two values. Color should be dark for our text value, and we probably want to give a text height, but we will come to that later. And what else do we need? We need to give it a height. Okay, probably the same as our health bar container. So 40 pixels, and our width should be like 100%, 80%, and so on. Okay, so let's just give it a sort of a dummy value first. So width should be 900. Okay, great. It looks great. And let's put in some text in the middle of it. Okay, probably 90. Okay, so we just need to center align the 90. Okay, sorry, it takes some time to think about the strategy. So text line center, great, and line height. Okay, this we should get 30 pixel first. 40 pixel. Great. I think 40 pixel is great. Alright. Now we just need to give our app.js some initial file for our health value. So Harry health should be 100. Initialize, and one more health should be also 100, and in here, right, we want this value to be corresponding to our health. Okay, so in here, let's give it a style. Let's find the style, and it equals to, alright, let's see if I can remember this correctly. Alright, Harry House plus, okay, percentage, and let's give it the same value to our world mode. Okay, this is not working. Okay, let's check the log and see what's the issue. Probably want to give it passing an object makes sense. Correct. So now this works, and let's just test out our solution here. So if I say we didn't pass a variable to our view instance, so we cannot do this. Let me just say what if our house is 50. Great, and yeah, and let's give it a transition. So this transition 0.3 seconds is out. Okay, and let's leave it there. So in this video, we sort of start our health bar, and in next video, we will be starting our middle section, well, or at least a part of it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.